got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kayla Whaler back with another video, and today I will be doing a mukbang, another one. And today I got me some Chinese food. I have me some Chinese food. I got me some shrimp with broccoli. Some, I got a egg roll, Coca-Cola, some rice, and some fortune cookies. So yeah, got my cup, then I got my drink. Yes, sir. That's good as well. I should have got a plate to put my own stuff on, but I'm fine. Ain't no fork in a bag though. That's crazy. Now I gotta get up and get a fork when I wasn't trying to do that. I'll be back. Okay, so I decided to get a plate. Don't start shaking on me now. I decided to get a plate to put mine on because, yeah, I just feel like getting a plate for it. Y'all want to see my food? I guess that. I know for a fact I'm not going to eat all this. So. Let me just put some of this back in there because I'm definitely. Got a whole bunch of broccoli and not enough shrimp for me. Yeah. I'm telling you now. I'm not ordering from there no more. Cause I mean, where's the shrimps? That's the point of getting it. Shrimps and broccoli. Like, they sleeping on the shrimps for real. Like, but it's okay. Cause I like broccoli. I'm not even gonna be complaining. Okay. Then I might as well just get some fucking broccoli. Some fucking steamed broccoli. Yeah, you know what? Let me stop cursing. Oh, before I get, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that bell so y'all will be notified when I post, you know, the regular. I do not want all these broccoli. I don't want all of it. It's only right to put some food away for later. Let me put my stuff in my food. Then I'm going. Oh, then I got these like crab filled things. This is what they look like. Hold on. That's what the inside look like. They're like imitation crab meat. Yeah. I'll be back. But yeah, y'all. And I will be informing y'all on a few things. You know. Y'all don't know, but y'all know. Y'all gon' know. So, before I eat, before I dig in, you know. I think it's an egg roll or a shrimp roll, but this looks burnt. Anyways. Goddamn. I'm supposed to be fucking. Yeah, got that bitch right there. Period. I'm gonna get, oh shit. Hey man. Rumor must be out her gats. Damn man. My ass like. Now you will lie to y'all. I should have got a bigger soda. But you know, I've been drinking water that I normally do. For real. And I'm proud of myself for it because I drink a lot of soda. A lot. It's not bad, but let me say this. It's not nasty, but it's not like the regular Chinese place I regularly go to. Where I always need to go to them, so. Let me just say that. For one day, stingy with the shrimps. Like, let us get what we pay for. Simple. I'm gonna let y'all know what my fortune cookies say. This shit is good. Oh boy. I don't think I'm eating my shrimp roll. Because hope she don't expect me to go get that soda. I should go. Hopefully my grandma don't come in here on BS. I don't know some pranks I should do on her. I'm starting like a mug. But yeah, let me know some pranks I could do on her, guys. She is funny. And I feel like pranks are simple. Try this egg roll. Ooh. I'm getting full. Already. I was just eating some rice off of it, you know. For one, do they have shrimp in here? Because I promise you, they give me every time with the shrimps. I'm the type of person, when I go to a place and I order, I'm going to want extra or something. If that makes sense. Like, I don't know, I just always been like that. I'm just an extra person. As my mom would say. But yeah. Oh no. It's not good at all. But, you know, I paid for this shit. I'm almost there. This type of shit I've been. And when I put either, goddamn. ASMR. Also, next video coming, it's probably gonna be an ASMR video, or that's it. Skip. I now. Anyways, as y'all clearly can see, I cleared this plate. Period. All 2021, I'm trying to tell you. Anyway, Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that bell on. Follow my social medias and my TikToks. And that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next video.
You could do it, damn bitch. You